Welcome back to the show, everyone. Today we're diving into something that can make your digital life a whole lot easier: email aliases in Gmail. If your inbox feels like it's bursting at the seams with personal notes, online shopping receipts, newsletters, and work emails all tangled together, this episode is for you. So what's an alias? Simply put, it's an alternative email address linked to your Gmail account. And the beauty is, you don't need to create a whole new account just to get organized. Aliases can help you filter messages, protect your privacy, and even give you a more professional look when sending emails. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Access Gmail settings. First things first, open Gmail on your computer. In the top right corner, click the little gear icon. That's the settings menu. Then select See All Settings. This opens the full dashboard where all the magic happens. Step 2. Accounts and Import. Next, click on the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Here you'll see a section called Send Mail As. That's where Gmail lets you add another address, your alias. Step 3. Add your alias. Now, under Send Mail As, hit Add Another Email Address. A pop-up will appear asking for two things: the name you want people to see when they get your email, the email address of your alias. That could be something like yourbusiness@gmail.com or another Gmail address you already own. And make sure the box that says Treat as an alias is checked. Then click Next Step. Step 4. Verify it. Gmail will now send a verification email to the address you entered. Open that message, click the link inside, or enter the code it provides, and boom, your alias is ready to go. Step 5. Start using your alias. When composing an email, click Compose Like Usual. In the From field, you'll see a little drop-down arrow. Choose the alias you want to send from, and your recipient will see that alias instead of your main Gmail address. Pretty slick, right? Pro tip plus addressing. Here's a hidden gem plus addressing. You don't even need to set this up. Let's say your email is your name at gmail.com. You can instantly make aliases like your name plus shopping at gmail.com, your name plus newsletters at gmail.com. All those messages still land in your inbox, but you can filter and label them automatically. It's a great way to track signups and even figure out which services might be sharing your email. Best practices. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick best practices. Use filters. Let Gmail do the sorting for you. Keep aliases specific. Use ones like plus work, plus travel, or plus subscriptions. Protect your privacy. Use aliases when signing up for new sites. Stay professional. If you're running a business, consider something like yourname.business@gmail.com. And that's it. Email aliases are a simple yet powerful way to take back control of your inbox. Whether you're separating work from personal, filtering automatically, or keeping your main address private, aliases give you the flexibility you've been missing, without the headache of juggling multiple accounts. So go ahead, take a few minutes today to set one up. I promise you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this content, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more valuable content on digital marketing